Located at the foot of a majestic mountain in the San Juan neighborhood of Malinalco, Mexico, this home is situated in a region known for its lush vegetation and unique landscapes. The design maximizes the breathtaking views, seamlessly blending with the natural surroundings and the existing country house, enhancing the connection between the living space and the landscape. The project follows the concept of a soft loft, creating a continuous space that promotes an open, fluid, and flexible living experience. The house distributes its spaces with comfort and adapts to contemporary needs, offering compact areas arranged within 72 square meters. The open design emphasizes freedom of movement, with high ceilings and large windows that frame the landscape, allowing for a deep visual and physical connection between the interior and the exterior. This garden also acts as a green zone, creating a visual barrier and integrating the landscape into the design. Additionally, the pool enhances this connection with nature, offering a serene water element that reflects the surrounding greenery and invites relaxation within the natural setting. Despite the open plan design, the fireplace plays a central role, not only as a functional element, but also as a key spatial feature, defining zones without interrupting the flow of the space. The choice of materials reflects a desire to blend with the local landscape and embrace the traditional construction methods of Malinalco. Stone is the main material used, honoring the region's traditional architecture and the skill of local stoneworkers. The use of local techniques and materials minimizes the project's ecological footprint, aligning with sustainable principles. This home is a true reflection of the landscape, the culture, and the values of its environment. It celebrates the relationship between architecture and nature, offering a harmonious living experience that blends tradition with modernity. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.